Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Now we're opening colors: brown color, orange color, light pink color, silver color, sky blue color. Kids, stay with us. Dark green color, dark pink color, and the next one is red color, black color, black color. The next one is yellow color, yellow color. The next one is light green color, purple color, blue color, and the last one is white color, silver color. Now we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. C for cow, C for cat, D for dog, D for doll, E for elephant. And now we're using the color of dark green. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. H for hand. I for eyes. J for joker. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. Stay with us. L for lemon. Now we're using the color of light green color. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose. O for octopus. P for penguin. Kids, now we're writing numbers 1, 2, 3. The next one is 4. Five. 5. Now we're using the color of red and writing 6, 7. Now we're writing the number of 8, and the next one is 9, and the last one is 10. Stay with us. TEN 10. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Kids, now we're using the color of red. The next one is brown, white color. Stay with us. Purple color, blue color, dark green color. The next one is dark pink color, orange color, orange color. The next one is light green color, silver color. Stay with us. The next one is light pink color, sky blue color, black color, exactly. And the last one is yellow color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets. First we're using the color of light pink. A, B, C, D, E. The next one is F. F for fish. Now we're using the color of yellow, writing the alphabet of G. G for God. H for hand. I for eyes, A for ice cream. K. And the next one is L. L for lemon. Now we're using the color of light green color. Exactly. M for mango. N. The next one is O. P. Q. R for rose, R for rice. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing capital alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Red color, light pink color, yellow color. Stay with us. Dark green color, orange color, exactly. Light green color, dark green color, brown color, brown color. Kids, the next one is black color, and the next one is sky blue color, and the next one is blue color. Stay with us. Exactly. Silver color, white color, and the last one is purple color, red color. And now we're writing alphabet of A, and the next one is B. B for ball, C for cow, D for doll, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. So kids, now we're using the color of orange, writing the alphabet of H. Stay with us. I for eyes, J for jackfruit, K, L for lemon, M for moon, N for nose, N for nest, sky blue color, exactly. O for octopus, P for penguin, Q. The next one is R, S, T for teacher, U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V for van, and W for watch, W for watch, X, Y, and the last one is Z for zoo. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing numbers 1 to 30. Stay with us. Light pink color, and the next one is brown color, orange color. Now we're opening the color of dark pink color, light green color, silver color, silver color. The next one is white color, sky blue color, dark green color, exactly. Black color. And the next one is yellow color. red color. Kids, now we're opening the color of purple, and the last one is blue color. First we're using the color of blue, and now we're writing 1, 2, the number of 3, 4, stay with us, 5, the next one is 6, 7, 8, 9, exactly, 10, stay with us, light pink color, 11, 12, 13, 14, the next one is 15, 16, 17, 18, exactly 18. Now we're using the color of light green, 19, 20, 21, the next one is 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. Now we're using the color of dark green, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, the number of 30. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yeah, dark pink color, light pink color, black color, and the next one is red color. Now we're opening the color of exactly purple, light green color, sky blue color, and the next one is silver color, orange color, blue color, dark green color. The next one is white color, yellow color, and the last one is brown color. Now we're using the color of orange and writing alphabets A, B for ball, C, D for doll, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H, and the next one is I for ice, I for ice cream, black color. Kids, now we're using the color of black and writing J, K. The next one is L for lemon, M for mango, N for nose and for nest. The next one is O, stay with us, P, Q, R, dark pink color, S for snake, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y, Z, light green color, number of 1. The next one is 2, 3, THREE, 3. The next one is 4, FOUR, 4, 5. Kids, now we're using light pink color, 6, 7, 8, 9, NINE, 9, 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're writing numbers 1 to 30. Stay with us. Blue color, the next one is exactly purple color, and the next one is red color. Kids, now we're opening the color of brown color, and the next one is light pink color. Stay with us. Yellow color, the next one is sky blue color, Kids, light green color, dark green color, dark pink color, exactly orange color. Stay with us. Kids, the next one is black color, exactly silver color, white color. First we'll draw the number of 1, 2, 2. The next one is 3, THREE. The next one is 4. Now we're writing the number of 5, and the next one is 6, SIX, 6. Kids, now we're using the color of orange. 7, SEVEN, 7, 8, the number of 8, 9, and the next one is 10, TEN, 10, 11, 12, the number of 12, the next one is 13, the number of 13. Kids, now we're using the color of silver and writing the number of 14. The next one is 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18. Stay with us. The next one is 19. Kids, now we're using the color of dark green. 19. Stay with us. The next one is 20. 21. 22. 22. The next one is 23. Exactly. The next one is 24. Light pink color. 24. The next one is 25. 26. The next one is 27. 27. 28. 28. Now we're using the color of sky blue color. 29. 30. Thank you so much for watching.